So earlier today, I pranked Eric. I sneezed on him. Look over there, they're doing more construction. My bad.
Was that you? What was that?
I just sneezed. I told you my allergies bothering me.
What the?
Ever since I met you, I knew that we'll be way more than friends. Be right by my side, my love for you will never end. I'm tired of playing games, baby, this ain't no pretend. Let me be your man, let me be your helping.
What's poppin', EA gang? You dig?
Girl, Lex.
And this your boy E, and please leave us a sub, cause you know we forgot to eat. Back with another lit video for the channel, you feel me? Today we're gonna be vlogging, you feel me? We about to go to the pool, you feel me? EJ been crying for the pool, so we gotta go to the pool.
Yeah, we're going to the pool at his brother's house.
Yeah. The best way to do it, you feel me? Oh, you got clothes?
Wow!
What if there was a baby in the room? Yeah, we finna hit the pool at my brother's house, you feel me? Because he got 4 kids, you feel me? So I don't want EJ to be in the pool by himself, you feel me? So we gonna thug it.
Yeah.
Alexa never had
EJ, you gonna show them? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you heard me must have when I be counting down or counting up.
You have to get over.
I already know you ain't the father.
What?
Man, y'all, since I got my hair cut, 1,000 people done told me that I look younger. Comment down below if y'all think I look younger, you feel me? Because, whoa, put that back on because I still ain't got a cut, y'all. I was supposed to go today, but I forgot the barbershop closed. You feel me? So, but a whole bunch of people been saying I look younger. I feel like I look older, you feel me? I feel like I look cleaner. Like a clean, even though I ain't got no clean cut, I don't know, man. What you think, babe?
I like that.
I'm saying, do I look older or younger? Younger. I look younger.
I can't tell.
I think I look older, you
I
feel me?
think
Because the
I'm
dreads.
already used to like how you look. Like you already, when we first met, you looked younger than what you were. So.
But I feel like, I know, but I ain't had this. You feel me? When we first met, I ain't had no beard. You know, what is this? What is this? Beard, right? Yeah, I ain't had no beard, y'all. I finally got a beard. It's been like 6 months with a beard. I don't know how to act. I ain't even got to go to the, when I go to the barbershop, I made sure that I never had to ask somebody to line me up because I ain't want my barber to laugh or nothing. So I literally waited until they told me, like, they just did it on their own. Or they asked me, you feel me? That's how I knew I had hair around my lip and stuff. But they're like, you want me to line this up too? I'm like, yeah. I couldn't wait for you to ask that, you know? I ain't say that.
Took them 23 years.
Yeah, was it? Nah, I was 22 first. My first time getting lined up was when I had, what's the name? When I went to that barbershop the first time.
In New York?
No, here.
No. Basically
Over there.
23 years.
22.
Basically 23.
I was 22. I was still last year.
Anti-bays.
They
My
lined me up.
allergies have been bothering me so bad.
Alexis do this a lot, y'all. She do it when you say
my
you only
nose
do it
up
when your
here
nose
be
be stuffed, but
itching.
you do it when you like
I didn't
focus
say
too.
when it's stuffed. I said when it's itching.
I mean,
And
no,
it's
you do it
always
when you're
itching
focused
up
too.
here.
You do it when you're focusing on something. You definitely do it again then too.
My nose is bothering me.
Her nose always bothering her, y'all. Like I can't make this up. Look at all that construction. Hopefully when we get to his house, you feel me, everything be all ready and we good to go, you feel me? They ready, we ready. EJ got his little floaty back there.
Look over there, they're doing more construction. My bad.
Was that you? What was that?
I just sneezed. I told you my allergies bothering me.
What the Why you ain't cover your mouth?
I did. I didn't know I got it somewhere.
Look up the camera, bro.
You could just cut this out.
Fucking no, bro. Cover your mouth next time, bro.
I'm just yawning.
this little doggy. Stocks is up. But yeah, y'all, man, hopefully everything good to go when we get up there, you feel me? And you gonna show them the people in that car?
Yep.
She
Hey,
wanna show
y'all.
everybody. But I'm finna get ready to go to my brother's house, bro. Can't believe you just did that, bro.
I wonder how far that water park goes.
I don't think it go back that far. At first I thought it go back that far, but it don't look like it. I think it go like, I don't know, would you go there? They said somebody died there.
I told you that.
That's what I'm saying.
That's why Six Flags took it over.
I mean, so what, they changed something? I don't like tubes. Oh my God, man, it's gonna be a long, hot day. Why is it so hot in this car still, bro? Cause
You got your side on 70 degrees.
I don't want the air to be too loud, and I hear it on the camera. Cause y'all know I'm the editor. You feel me?
Oh, you had to put that out there though.
Cause I am the editor.
You don't have to stop. You keep going. There's no yield
Who
sign.
are you to tell me how to
Because I can't
drive?
stand when people do that.
Who? I taught you how to drive.
Okay, but still, you still did it, and there's no yield.
Come on, dude. For real? For real, bro. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Spin it.
DJ, what you doing?
I don't know, man. Babe, what the?
I'm sorry.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Oh, you didn't see me cover my mouth?
You didn't cover your mouth.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. Stop fucking sleep. You want me to spit on you? Cover your mouth. Oh, this nasty.
Eric, stop. You acting like you never had my saliva on you before.
Not on my face. And
Oh, you haven't.
not on my face, no.
You had worse stuff on your face. Exactly.
What's worse than that? What's worse than spit and snot?
It's not.
Yes, it is. When you sneeze, it come out your nose and your mouth.
I covered my mouth.
Stop.
and
No,
my
you
nose.
did it. So what just came on my face? What just hit my face? What just hit my face?
I don't know what you're talking about. I covered my mouth. I didn't even feel nothing.
I would not be speaking on it if it didn't
I didn't
hit my
even feel
face.
nothing when you was wiping it on me. So what are you talking about? I didn't feel no
Wait till I gotta
wetness.
sneeze. I'm gonna show you how I feel. Bro, cut the camera. I don't even want to talk. Cut the camera off. Cut the camera off. I don't want to talk no more. Stay doing something extra, man. You're sneezing on me, man. Bro, listen, I swear to God. Bro, I'm finna stop. We're not even going, bro. We're turning around.
Ooh, I almost had a nip slip.
We're turning around, bro. Fuck this.
Eric, stop before you wreck.
Bro, we're not going swimming no more. You don't ruin it for me. Now I need to go take a fucking shower.
You dragged it.
No,
okay?
I'm not. You sneezing on me. What do you mean? Let me sneeze on you. Boogers and shit.
You don't have no boogers on your face.
What you mean? I'm wiping it off. Doesn't matter. You're being nasty, bro. Bro, cut the camera, bro.
No, stop. You gotta show them. We can tell and stuff.
Bro, we're not going to the pool. I'm gonna turn around. Cut the camera.
Eric, I told you my allergies was
I
bothering
don't care. You don't sneeze on me, bro.
I didn't mean to.
Bro,
It was a
hit the
accident.
camera. Bro, you got a spray bottle.
That's cold.
Better than
Man.
spray bottle.
Eric.
Bring that shit on face.
It's so hard holding this camera and trying to spray you.
Shit, bro. It's over, bro. Look, bro, we going swimming, but don't ruin it. Now we going swimming.
Now
but
you know it's not snot.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. So you good. So don't spray no more.
You about to get wet anyways.
That don't mean nothing. Don't spray that shit on me. Stop. Move, bro. Come on, bro. We're going swimming. We're going swimming. We're going swimming.
EJ.
Way too much, bro.
EJ. Achoo.
Yo, I'm gonna do that shit. Yo, I'm gonna do it to the Mario.
Stop it. Okay, my bad. Did I get you?
Yeah, you got me for a second, but I'm
My
gonna do that to them.
allergies is really bothering me.
I'm gonna do that to them, see how they
Alright,
react. Yeah, in the vlog, though, in the vlog.
Alright, y'all. So we'll see y'all later. We probably gonna film while we at the pool.
Alright, y'all.
Y'all gotta meet Amaya. Did they meet Amaya yet?
No, they ain't been long.
Y'all gotta meet. Y'all are going to meet Eric's niece, Amaya.
Alright,
But
y'all, so
alright,
like,
y'all.
comment, subscribe. Okay, peace. See y'all later.
Ever since I met you, I knew that we'll be way more than friends. Be right by my side, my love for you will never end. I'm tired of playing games, baby, this ain't no pretend. Let me be your man, let me be your